Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got 4 eggs. We've got some bacon, and this bacon is a great brand that I use, Black Label microwave ready bacon. It's very easy to make, less than 3 minutes. I got some Havarti and some cheddar. Mike Foster here. You saw the title. This is perfect scrambled eggs with bacon and cheese. It's a heck of a way to get your protein to start the day, and it's super delicious. Easy to make, but this is how you do it perfectly. Check it out. All right, we're gonna start off on a medium pan, and we're gonna put a good amount of butter down. Mix that around. You take those 4 eggs and you just pop them in like that. And these are scrambled, but you don't scramble them in the bowl, you scramble them in the pan. All right, we're gonna add some pepper. Those are ready. Now you take a spatula and you start pushing them around. Yeah, push them around like this. Fold them gently. That's how you're gonna get your best eggs. Break the yolks while you're doing it. In the meantime, you're gonna take this bacon, you're gonna break it into nice quarter bits. Mix this baby around a little. All right, it's coming along great. I think it's ready for the bacon. Mix that around. We put this on low. Get everything incorporated. Now the most fun part is the cheese. Get that cheese in there. You gotta get it in. This will all melt and be a cheesy delight. All right, that's on low. Mix the cheese in. When that cheese is melted, this baby's done. Meet you at the counter. There's the finished product. Looks glorious. That's a new word. Big bite coming up. There it is. Nothing to it but to do it. Oh my goodness. Check it out. It's perfect. That's perfect eggs. The cheese has a tang to it. The bacon's savory. Eggs are creamy. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, man.
Live life 365.
Microwave ready. I'm not kidding. Sweet babu. Now, I gotta give half to my wife. Let's get that going here. Okay, that looks like half. Give her a little more. There, that's all I got left. Now I get the now I get this. I got some toast with it. It's a leftover piece of cheese. And then